Are you concerned that a loved one might be experiencing elder abuse in a care facility? Recognizing and addressing potential abuse can protect your loved one's safety and their dignity. Today, let's discuss what steps to take if you suspect elder abuse in a care facility. Hi, I'm attorney Aaron Fransua, and welcome to Law Simplified, where we make the law work for you. If you're navigating elder care challenges, make sure to subscribe for more essential tips on protecting your loved ones. Elder abuse can take many forms: physical, emotional, financial, or neglect. If you suspect abuse, here is what you should do. First things first, recognize the warning signs. You want to look for unexplained injuries, sudden changes in behavior, poor hygiene, or signs of fear around staff members. Financial warning signs include missing funds or unauthorized transactions. We also usually will see changes to estate plans. The second thing you want to do is document everything. Keep detailed notes of what you've observed, including dates, times, and descriptions of incidents. Take photos of physical evidence like bruises or unclean living conditions. The next step you're going to want to take is you want to speak to facility management. Address your concerns directly with the care facility's management. Ask questions about policies and staff training and see how they respond to your concerns. Bonus points if you put this in writing. Even if you have a verbal conversation, follow up with an email recapping what was discussed and any action items they said they will be taking. From there, the next step was to contact the authorities. If you believe abuse is occurring, report it to your local adult protective services or the ombudsman program that oversees care facilities. Reporting abuse is essential for protecting your loved one and holding that facility accountable. A next step is to seek legal advice. An elder law attorney can help you understand your rights and take legal action if necessary. This might include filing a lawsuit, transferring your loved one to a safer facility, or advocating for policy changes within the care facility. Elder abuse is a very serious issue, and acting quickly can make all of the difference. If you're dealing with a situation involving elder abuse and you need legal guidance, contact us here at Avid Esquire Group. We're here to help you protect your loved ones and hold wrongdoers accountable. For more advice on elder law and caregiving, like, subscribe, and leave your questions in the comments. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.